Hello guys, you are welcome to this practical section of the course. My name is Augustus Philip. Okay, in this module we'll be looking at creating Amazon KDP account and we'll set up your account. Under setting up your account, these are the things we'll be looking at. Tax information. We'll now see how we can reduce your tax withholding rates from 30% to 0. Then we'll now add your bank details. So let's get started with creating Amazon KDP account. The first step is for you to open your Google and you search for Amazon KDP. Amazon KDP and you enter. Okay, you see the second one, the second link, Kindle Direct Publishing. Open that link. Okay, here is the page. So you tap on join KDP. This is where you sign up. Just tap on join KDP. So you put your first name and last name, your email address, then you create. So my first name is Augustus and last name is Philip. And the email I want to use is which one? Okay, let me use this one. Uncle Phil's 40@gmail.com. And I'll create a password. Please use a password that you always remember. Say create your KDP account. Okay, an OTP is sent to your email account, your email address you use to create this account. OTP is one-time password. So you go to your email and get the OTP and come and paste it here and you proceed. Okay, this is my email. I will just have to refresh. And here is it. So you open it. This is the number, you copy it. Go back here and paste it. Okay, so you say create your Amazon account. Alright, it will take you to this page for agreement. You read through it and agree. That is if you want to continue. If you don't want to continue, you back out from here. But if you want to do this to make money on KDP, you need to agree. So you tap on agree. Alright, and this is your dashboard. You see down here it says once you create a book, it will show up here in your bookshelf. Just look at the way this dashboard is. Okay, you see the way it is. This is the same thing you should have if you do the correct thing. Okay, so you go to the up here, you see your account, tap on it. Your top right, your account, tap on it. Okay, now you see two-step verification. You choose Nigeria here. and you put your number. Okay, and you normally anytime you log into your account, they will be sending you OTP on your phone number. This is the idea of this whole thing. Okay, this one says it's been sent. Let's see. Okay, it has come. You copy it and you paste it. So this is it. This is it. This is it. So what we need to do is to fill this, all this. Okay. Make sure you use your real details to avoid being blocked. Okay, so the business type is individual. You put your legal name. I think it's the same name. The name of your publishing company, if you have not established a separate company, it can be your first name and your last name. You see to that. So you can still use your first name and your last name. Okay. So address not selected. So you tap there to enter your address. Nigeria. You just need to tap from here. Okay, see it. Okay. And you now put your address. Okay, city, Port Harcourt. Province, states, Rivers. Okay. You can Google your own postal code if you don't know. Okay. My own postal code 500272. You use this address. Good.